How to report someone on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report someone on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any chat you want, like this one here. Click on it and then just click on his profile here in the top. Click on it and here you will find the report. Report and report again, and that's it. As you see, these contacts have been reported, and that's how to report someone on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.